Hi guys! Joy here. Today guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga things that I'm gonna bring with me sa aking lakad today. I'm gonna use this fashion bag. This is from TikTok shop guys. Nasa yellow basket ko. Ang maganda guys sa bag na to, meron na siyang organizer sa loob. Okay, so I'm gonna bring with me compact wallet. This is from Valorex. May lagayan na siya guys ng coins dyan. And then, tatlong cards ang pwedeng mailagay. And then, bills. So, maganda siya for small purses. Next, guys, I'm gonna bring with me this Miniso MS156 wireless translation earbuds. This can translate, guys, up to 134 languages. Ayan, dadaling ko to. I'm also gonna bring with me this translation pen. Magagamit ko to guys mamaya. Dito ko na muna siya ilalagay. Nag-upload ako guys ng video, yung sample ng kanyang magagawa, yung offline scanning. Amazing talaga guys yung translation pen na to. A must-have item. I'm gonna bring with me my keys, handkerchief, and then I'm gonna bring this oil control film. And then yan. I'm gonna bring this Sea-Like oral spray and BLK lip color and IDs. This mini fan. Nasa yellow basket ko to guys. Bayarin. Dadaan akong convenience store guys. Well, never-ending bills. Bayad tayo ng bills. And then, syempre, yung aking phone. Kaso, ginagamit ko pa for filming. So, mamaya, ilalagay ko dito yung aking phone. Ang ganda, guys, ng aking case, diba? And that's it! Ayan, guys. So, nagkasya lahat dito. And then, may dala lang akong isa pang folder. Yung mga requirements ko. So, thank you, guys. Kailangan ko na umalis. Be beautiful and be kind. God bless.